It's a very good question to ask whether refugees, take more than they give to a society, and particularly in a time where we live in times of austerity, where there are cuts in local services, in government services, and things like our health service and our education service is under real pressure, and our benefit system is under real pressure. It's an honest question that people will ask, which is, can we afford refugees? Of course, interestingly, if you look at certainly the recent history of migration into the United Kingdom, you recognise that actually our country has been enriched, not just culturally and in terms of diversity and skills and talents, but actually has been enriched economically by people coming to this country. So at the moment, in the last period of time, the average person who has migrated into the United Kingdom has brought more than 60% more extra income into the country than they've taken out in terms of their school place or their healthcare or their benefits. Even the groups that actually do claim benefits most still bring more than 10% extra into the country than they take out. So one of the myths that we need to bust is this idea that when refugees come, that actually they end up taking money away and taking our much needed resources away from our communities. In actual fact, they bring resources. They bring all kinds of resources. And Syrian refugees, particularly, which is obviously one of the issues at the moment, are largely people who are educated and trained. They have professions, they have experience in enterprise, lots of healthcare professionals. And so there is a great amount that they can bring to the country, not just culturally, but actually economically.